Hi everybody, this video is designed to explain to you the difference between the words that we use in probability. So we're going to start by looking at the concepts of certain and impossible. So here I have a whole bunch of different things that I can make a drink out of. If you have a look, we've got Alexandria tea, English breakfast tea, royal tea, and a Vietnam tea collection. So there are 4 different types of teas here. I can make 4 different types of drinks, okay? Now, it is impossible for me to make a cup of coffee because I don't have any coffee here. So that is what the word impossible means, okay? You can't do it. It is certain that if I was to make a drink out of these things, I would make tea because I've only got tea. I couldn't make anything else. I can't make Milo, I can't have a drink of water. All I can do is make tea because that's all that I have here. So that's the difference between certain and impossible. If you look at things that are an equal chance, if I take some of these away and then bring this one in here, here's some coffee. So now I've got a 50% chance of getting coffee. I've got a 50% chance of making tea. I have an even chance of getting coffee or tea, okay? If I go like this, and I bring out some Milo, and I get another tea back, I can say I only have an even chance of getting tea or a different drink because there are 2 teas and there's 2 different drinks. So I can't say an even chance having tea or coffee, but I have an even chance of having tea or something different. Okay, so that's an even chance. And then if we get all these things back here, and I bring this one, and I get this, which is a whole bunch more of tea leaves, and I get this one back in, put that on there. When I have a look at these, I can talk about likely and unlikely. So if I was to at random to choose something, if I was to close my eyes and pick something, I am more likely than not to get tea because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of my 8 tea drinks are tea. So I've got a 6 in 8 chance of choosing tea. It is most likely that I will choose tea. It is unlikely that I'll choose Milo because I've only got a 1 in 8 chance of choosing Milo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things aren't Milo. 1 is Milo. I've only got a 2 in 8 chance of choosing something that isn't tea. So even when I combine the coffee and the Milo, it's still unlikely I'm going to get Milo over tea. I might, but if everything is even, then I will probably pick up tea. It won't always happen. That's why we say likely and unlikely, okay? That's when things are a fair deal. Now, if I was to get my daughter and she was to come in here and she was to choose a drink, I am certain that she would choose the Milo because that is her favorite. She doesn't like coffee and she doesn't like tea. So this is the one that she would choose. Here, because she actually gets to make a choice, I can say with absolute confidence that if Isabel was to choose a drink, she'd choose Milo. So that is a certain situation, okay?